This is you. And you know something amazing. And you want to share that with the world. But you don't know the best way to engage people. Whiteboard animation is your answer, and this is why. It's professional, it's affordable, and the process is easy. These are the 3 simple steps to making an amazing looking whiteboard animation. 1. Write a script, record your audio, and send them to paupanimation@gmail.com. 2. Now it's time for Paupanimation to get to work. We create a storyboard from the script and the audio that you sent us and send it to you for your feedback. 3. The animation process. Once you're happy for us to do so, we bring the animation to life, adding sound effects and music. We make any necessary changes, and that's it. Done. All yours. Your very own explainer video. The process can be completed within 2 weeks, and then it's yours for life. And all costs are agreed from the start because nobody likes nasty surprises. If this is ticking all of your boxes, get in touch with Paupanimation via email or social media.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.